Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone doesn't ring for incoming calls. Let's get started. So first, check the ring or silent switch on the left side of your phone. If it's showing orange, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip it up to turn the sound back on. Next, go to the settings and select sounds and haptics and make sure that the ringtone volume is turned up. If your phone still doesn't ring, go to the settings and select focus and tap do not disturb and make sure that it's turned off. Also, you can check the settings and click the notification and select the phone and make sure that allow notifications is enabled. And finally, restart your iPhone to refresh all the sound settings. And that's it. Your iPhone should now ring properly for incoming calls. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.